Hey, I'm Nikki the Homemaker, and I wanted to share this cake that I hit 500 subscribers. But anyway, thanks you guys who have subscribed and continue to support my channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. It means a lot, and I'm so happy to hit 500 in a year. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I've been wanting to see it. You down to watch it? Yeah, we'll watch it. I'm down. All right. Let's watch it. Oh shoot! Don't go that way. Not that way. No. Oh my God. What happened? Why aren't you watching? I'm watching. You keep asking me what's going on. Get off your phone. Oh man, this is so emotional. He loves her, like he legit loves her, like he's playing her, like it's not even real. Why did you tell me that? I can never watch a movie with you. You always gotta ruin the ending for me, man. Nah, for real, he does that. Yeah. Do you have to chew that loud? Seriously. It's not him. It's the other guy. No, I don't want to know. No, he's not gonna kill him. It makes you think he's gonna kill him, but he's not gonna kill him. He does what? It's true. Man, it's true. It would have been great if I got to see that. Whatever. See? He's still alive. Turn your ringer off. Turn your ringer off. Hello? We're watching you've been wanting to watch this movie forever. And there you are just chewing, talking on the phone and everything. Ruining the dang movie. Funny movie, man. I gotta go. I gotta pay back. You know how she is.